Hey there everyone, it seems like Claude AI is not limiting itself to Microsoft Word and Excel. To my surprise, I saw Claude AI extension for Slack, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can integrate Claude AI inside Slack. And that would be really interesting to see how Claude AI going to make some of our favorite messenger even more smarter. So let me first of all type here claude.ai. Now when you click here on Get apps and extension, you not only see Excel and PowerPoint, but when you see here Claude code, you're also going to see the Slack. So let's click on it, and now here you can see how this is going to come. So here I'm gonna click on sign in so that we can install it, and it actually took us to Slack sign in. Now here I'm gonna quickly do sign in through my Google account to Slack. And now I am opening my workspace. Now I just opened the workspace. Now again, let me go back here. And now I think since we are signed in, and I can also see my workspace, which is Technaholic, I can click here on add to Slack. Now again, seems like we need to click on add to Slack. And now we need to click on allow. And there we go. We have successfully installed or integrated Claude AI in Slack. Now let me go back here in Slack app, and it should show the apps installed, right? Still not showing. Maybe I can quickly restart Slack. Let's do that. And still I don't see it. Maybe I need to manually install it. So let's go here and click on browse app. Now I'm gonna say Claude AI, and let's click here on open app. Now again, I think we need to connect to our account. So let's click on connect account and need to authorize. Now let's again close these tabs, and again I'm gonna go back to Slack app, and here we are successfully connected. So here you can see it says authentication started and authentication complete. Now I think I can ask anything here, and you can see we have successfully integrated Claude AI inside Slack. So that's really awesome. I mean, you can directly access Claude AI inside Slack, and then here you have option to choose which model you'd like to go with, and then here we have option either to choose code only, or you can do code plus chat. So now you have a built-in capability of Claude AI inside it. Probably I can also do this way. And now here you can see I am working in a particular private channel, and I asked Claude AI to solve Pythagoras, and it did it. So that's really nice. So this way you can interact with Claude AI inside Slack. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If you have any problem in integrating Claude AI to Slack, please do let me know in comment down below. I will definitely try to help you with that. And let's catch each other in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.